Hello, this is how to make a butterfly. First, you just need half a paper. Okay, it can be colorful, but my name is just white. Okay, need to half and cut. What you'll need is be a squared shape. Let me just do this part. Not as right. And then you're gonna make a square. So this is a rectangle. You know a square. Here. Okay. Then I'm gonna just do this part. Look, a square. You are gonna have that. Okay. Then you're gonna take you're gonna remove this part and this part like that. And then you're gonna just have them. Okay. Here. Then you're gonna have like this. Like, oh, no, wait, just wait. And then you need to just also do this part. Forgot about that. Okay. Then you're gonna take each little side. Here and here and here and like that. Ooh, stay going like a fan, huh? Then I want to have this like that. And open it. We did the down part. The up part is also same. No, this is gonna be the down part. This one is the up part. You're just gonna do like a fan. Also, when you do a fan, you would do like that. You will stay going. Just do this. You can decorate it with different colors. You have plain white paper, then color with loads of colors. It will be a rainbow butterfly. You're straight going. Hey, then also half it. Got it. You would get tape, ribbon, or a pipe cleaner. That's what I have. Pipe cleaner. You get it like that. Right side. And tie it. Just tie it. And then you take tape and make it like that. Look, oh, it's a lovely butterfly in the air. Hold like that. Woohoo! Woo! Wow! Whoa! 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 Pipe cleaner is really better because look, you can really hold it like that. And wee! Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the activity. And please subscribe and like the video.